Hold on! One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, Brandon, move up! Grenade out!
Wall here, entrance here, entrance here. Okay, we're looking at it like this, all right? We are here. So we're gonna do.
More down here.
Yeah, we're actually way left of it like this right here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna come all the way around, and we're gonna split into 2 teams. One's gonna breach the front door, one's gonna breach the side door, and if we have to take out any enemies along the way, that's fine. Jacob's gonna toss in the dummy grenade. Do you want to do it from the front or the side?
I'm thinking from the
front.
Yeah, let's do it from the front.
Okay, we're gonna toss a dummy grenade in here, okay? We need to storm that building and kill everybody as fast as we can. That's not great. There's gonna be 2 people in here for sure. We know that.
Yeah.
Okay. As soon as we grab him, we are going to fall. All right. We are gonna book it all the way up. We have to get to the end of the thing. So, you guys that are trailing behind, you're gonna kind of create our security. So, as we're rushing up, if we're sure there's no enemies in front of us, you guys are gonna be holding our safe.
Shut up, clock in, and load up.
Okay. All right, that's game on.
That's game on, but hold on one more second. So I will help with security when we go, but once we get up to this building, remember, anybody that we have killed on the sides is going to be coming back to respawn.
Okay, so their respawn is like right here. It is not very far away, so they're going to be coming as soon as they...
Yeah, we're going to exfil out this door, okay, and then kind of go up on the ledge, up on the right side on the ledge, so we can actually get a good angle at them, because they'll be coming back down to the building from that left side. And once we get close, we're going. Like, we're not going to stop. We'll just yell breach and go.
You guys clear? Okay, what are the teams we're going to split into, just real quick? Who's running security?
I'll run front. I'll do security too.
Security? Okay, you have to distract the hostage with me. Okay.
I think they're waiting for us to see how game on.
Game on! All right, Bryce, you, what's your name?
Tyler.
Tyler, you, Tyler, and Jacob are going to hold security. You're going to be with us until we're exfilling. You're going to hold all the guys back while we get to the other side of the tunnel, okay?
Okay. Cool.
All right, guys. You guys stick together. We're going to... Which door are you breaching? Front?
Front.
Okay, we're going into...
So I'll throw the grenade, and I'll yell breach.
Okay, let's go.
On me.
Yep.
Hey, Brandon. You guys yell breach.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, they're getting shot at. Okay, so we're gonna kind of follow behind them. Okay, so remember, so there's gonna be a window that's kind of, let's say this is the building, the wall, door, there's gonna be a window right here.
Yeah. You're dragging me in. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright. But some that came from the tree line there. Yeah. We're good. Alright. There he is. He's going. Let's move. He's dead. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. Let's go.
You guys just going back to revive? Hey, no, Bryson, back here. Here. You guys go back with them. Just go back there with them and respawn. No, you guys just respawn. Okay. Go to the corner of that bush right there.
Jake, we're good. Yeah, they had it locked down really hard, so we're gonna go far right. Let's go.
Okay, we're just holding this.
Is he dead?
I don't know. Just don't shoot. We don't want him to know we're here.
There's something on the window.
Move on me. Move on me. Okay, go back. I just cleared the way for him. Move up, Brandon, move up!
Grab the president!
Okay, Brandon, move up! Grenade out!
Well, I guess I would have died.
No, it was a fake grenade. Let's move. Oh, that way, that way. Moving! Jackpot! Left, Creighton, left. Jackpot! Give us cover! Brandon! Okay, you guys, watch Creighton. You down?
Alright, let's go. With me. With me. Let's go. Up the hill fast, Creighton. President.
Follow them. Get up on that ledge and give me cover. Give me cover on the ledge,
Get down, President.
Move.
President, you're on me. Going down and up. Move. Down and up. Keep firing that left side. Let's go.
Alright guys, move, keep moving! Go further and stack up! Move! Who's down there? Anybody else? Bryce, keep moving!
Nice. Nice and easy.
Stranded in the open, dried out tears of sorrow.
Okay, I don't think they're following us. Let's just double time it.
Staring down the barrel, waiting for the final gates to open to a new tomorrow. Moving with the motion, following the light that sets me free.
Friendly! Come on, no man left behind! Let's double time and move! We all have to get extracted! Keep going. I'm right behind you.
I'll grab it. Supposed to Fine, man, hold up. I'll shoot these guys. Let's call that game.
Blind man. Yep, Roger.